Here's how to use the email scraper. Start by completing the initial steps. Enter your keyword and city.
Artlist.io.
Then click the Add button to initiate your query. Next, click the Start button to begin the scraping process. After a short while,
Music licensing reimagined.
you'll receive bulk email data based on your search query. Once the data is retrieved, you can sort or filter the emails by selecting a specific email domain.
Artlist.io.
Finally, download your data in CSV format. Thank you for watching.